can't stay.
What's up, guys? We are on a little boat tour in Charleston, and then we're going to an aquarium over here, but we just boarded on here. They're letting people on. We're just gonna go around and see some stuff around the city. Pretty cool. Make sure you give this video a like and subscribe. Look at that otter, guys. Look at him. Oh. What a stud. Icy and some pizza over here at the aquarium. Eat some pizza over here, boys. Look at these shrimp, guys. We got all these shrimp over here.
Little garlic butter.
Yeah.
Tasty.
Oh, look at these. Dude, I want a pet shrimp.
What?
Could you get a pet shrimp, honestly?
I don't. Well, I'm a guess. That was kind of cool when that one was swimming up. Never saw.
I'm getting a
I
pet.
usually see them on my plate.
I'm getting a pet shrimp, guys. Can I get a pet shrimp?
No.
Why? Wouldn't it be cool to take care of? Put it in the fish tank?
No.
Why? They're so cool. I gotta go catch a shrimp. Lobsters. Oh yeah, look how big these lobsters are. All sorts of shrimp in the aquarium. These fish over here. Oh yeah. I think they're lionfish. Pretty nice, pretty nice. What's up, guys? So sorry I've not talked to you for a while. We just took a slight detour. We left the aquarium and all that stuff, and now we are out here. It's not. I'm not gonna say middle of nowhere, but it's
Mount Pleasant.
yeah, it's near some places. But like, look, it's not like your typical New York arcade over here. It's a bunch of trees and woods around here, and then there's this big arcade inside there. So I'm gonna go make a few Claw Quest videos. I've never been here before. I love new arcades, so we're gonna see what we can win in here, what the arcade's like, and we're gonna go have some fun, baby. And I'll get back to you once we leave the arcade.
I need you to do that.
Alright, guys, Claw Quest here. We just left the arcade over here, and this is the prize that I got with 540 tickets. The lady recommended it to us. They're pretty nice. They're like probably like college kids or whatever, but it's like a light up wheel and you fling it, and it's actually a pretty cool prize. I haven't seen anything like that before, but pretty cool. Okay arcade. If there's no other arcades, obviously I'd recommend it, but